Meaning of flashcard.
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 Flashcard. A flashcard is a small card used for learning or memorization. It typically contains a question or prompt on one side and the corresponding answer on the other. Flashcards are commonly used in educational settings, particularly for language learning, but can also be used for studying other subjects such as math or science. They are especially useful for drilling and reinforcing information through repetition. Flashcards can be made by hand or created digitally, and are often used as a tool to aid in test preparation or self-study.